Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best beard brushes Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Grow Alpha Beard Brush and Comb Set. If you are looking for the best set of beard comb and brush, consider this brush cavity-friendly and comb set for men that seamlessly fit into your pocket purse or pocket of his jeans, allowing you to see your best at all times to and everywhere. Wooden comb and brush bristles stimulate beard oil production naturally entwined in her hair massaging scents. It also removes dirt, hair kept on the face and clean follicles and is healthy. The wooden comb is electrically conductive, which means it will not cause waves on the beard and unravels easily when dry or wet. The materials used in the manufacture of this barba brush and comb set respect for the environment due to the use of bamboo, robust and durable. Plastic is used or lost, and if you ever have from the brush, it will not contribute to environmental degradation. This system makes a brush and comb great gift idea for men in your life, and if not satisfactory, it can be returned for a full refund. Number 2. Our second best pick is Viking Revolution Beard Comb and Beard Brush Set for Men. Good looking is important for the classic man. The highlight has been chosen wherever he goes, and if that's you, then why not the Viking Barba Revolution Comb and Brush for Men? Remove the 2 pins with a ball, and this set premium is offering a comprehensive solution to both beard and mustache. A large beard aspect goes a long way. You can complete the preppy, which is largely desired by virtually all boss men, lords and even self-acclaimed players. Out high-quality materials, bamboo and wood to be paired to exactly this set ecological promise, not only effective but durable as well. Both comb and brush is required to quick fix to keep the stimulus, you every time you step out. Portable enough pressure on the pants pocket or a number of travel that is willing to, on every trip to a company, basically, or a socket. The brush is thick, flexible and elastic bristles keep brushing your hand and stray hairs, so that it is a uniform and assembled watch. It also helps to evenly distribute the oil evenly beard, ointment or any other product applied to the hair. A 2-sided comb helps achieve the desired style, whether you are a wild west or a modern look with a classic touch. Number 3. Our third best pick is Arkam Beard Brush Straightener for Men. It might be annoying when a hair beard begins to curl in a disordered disaster, especially after a shower. Of course, it may simply improvise and go with a look at standards, but what about your male pride? Beards will have more than one function of the body, like a rather wear company. Therefore, the iron of Barba Arkam Men is one of the most suitable and portable barts there. That it was brilliant for men who understand the importance of finding well, regardless of where they are. What's even better is that it warms the straightener and saves the additional time to prepare the whiskers. Thanks to individual cutting technology, the perfect look can be achieved in seconds. This reduces the amount of time that could be spent brushed through the hair more and more to achieve the desired result. Perfect use of ceramic plates and ion generator advanced bristles actually put the brush through each strand and guarantee a friend period. Ingeniously designed for both hair and beard, it has different configurations that can be changed, depending on what you see going through. Guaranteed protection obtained while heat with this anti-scald straightener for the perfect gentleman designed. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Beard Brush by ZilberHaar. A beard is well done and undeniable appeal, is still well kept, more attractive and appealing. Let's be honest, as a suit, a well-maintained, not glossy beard can be achieved overnight, except of course the Ritter makes intelligent use of the brush beard ZilberHaar. When used with a good oil beard, thick brush and rugged, this makes any appearance of a beard that was copied from a popular magazine for men and pasted. Has robust shape and bristles add to accept any beard finesse. Pure Boar effectively whiskers driving coarse bristles, cleaning, exfoliating and softening the hair for better feel and look. Even thickening of the whiskers, these bristles make their way through each maze, doma, straightening and uniform production of hair. No doubt after eating or even bathing, particles, products, and the rest get caught in the more powerful roots that form the basis of their education beards. This brush effectively cleans the whiskers, each line protection, flawless delivery of a gentleman to view. Get extra trust with your team and neat to go with this reliable brush that adds the perfect finishing touch to lineament. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Boar Bristle Beard Brush. Boar Bristle hair, as the name implies, creates bright and healthy hair to prevent locks on the head and face hair breakage, split ends, or spoil the hair. Multiplication is already unmanageable. In part of this review, the hairbrush Boar bristles well in thicker structures are thicker hair on the face of men, but also used by both women and children, and love for synthetic hair wigs or toupees. Even if she feels the need to run a brush through her hair straighteners for them to dry straight or shock, this brush will do it without spoiling hairstyle. The bristles and the brush pins are a mixture of nylon and 100% pure boar bristles made to unravel these large brushes, the nodes in equally the same hair and beard spreading oil. The structure of the hair is delicately curled hair or African wild. This brush works as hair treatment for low cost and magic. The brush also works well pre- and post-styling and both wet or dry hair. This is really an all-terrain brush for all intents and types. As hair when they were not sufficient reasons for hairbrush Boar bristles, his production and are environmentally friendly materials. The core material bamboo is a sustainable investment with an amazing speed, is growing fast, and its harvest has more or less no impact on the environment. Today the big man will be clear and without hair loss causing teddy damage to creatures or the environment. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.